Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something a lot of you have been asking for. The CS2 market is slowly but surely recovering. This is a pretty good sign. Prices are creeping up and demand is looking stronger, and it's starting to feel like those post-launch dips are finally behind us and those days are over. A lot of people were just panicking once golds became tradable. Well, at least there's no panic for now. This could change in the future. Hey, I mean, at least we got the holiday season coming up. A lot of people will be buying skins and coming to the game. This means the prices would actually increase. But after the holiday season is over, after Christmas hits and we get closer to the New Year's Eve, prices could definitely slide a little bit back. Items and skins could definitely get expensive in the near future. I will break down what's moving, what's currently too expensive and you should not invest in, and how to make smart investments right now. The first case on our list, as you can see, is the Spectrum 2 case, obviously guys. It has these really nice skins. The See You Later is also a very nice trade-up skin right now, a very expensive. Also the AK, the Empress, is also very decent. I would suggest you going for these cases. You're probably wondering, well, why are you choosing the Spectrum 2 collection out of them all? First of all the skins inside it, also the pinks, will be very desirable down the line. I mean, yes, the leaded glass has been manipulated a lot. I'm not quite sure if it was the Chinese market or overall all the markets were pumping it. It was very weird. But right now I think the price is very nice. You should definitely maybe aim for a field tested version. If you find a good flow, then go for it. If you keep them for the long run, I can see this being very expensive. I think the Spectrum 2 case is currently very underrated because the regular Spectrum case is very expensive compared to this one. So also the skins inside it are a little bit less expensive. I would go for the pinks inside it. Maybe you find some high roller bisons. It would be also very decent investment. Also guys, this skin remembers me of Stewie 20k. I mean 25k. Also, I've picked up the P90 Shallow Grey from the glove collection. It is a pink. It has to be field tested because at the end of the day we will be aiming for the field tested gloves. I mean, obviously the better the condition, the better the outcome. You already know it's a glove trade up at this point. We need good floats. But if the price is right, definitely also go for the field tested version, if it's not the worst float, right? I'm stocking up a little bit on Arctic tree tones. I mean, we don't care about the condition on those because this is a trade up skin for the M4A1's Fate. I mean, not a direct trade up skin. This one is actually for the Axia or the Rainbow Spoon. Both beautiful skins in my opinion. I mean, you can also snap some good floats on the market. For example, this one, 0.155. This is completely insane, almost minimal wear. You can definitely find those even on the Steam community market, very underrated right now. Not a lot of demand, and once one of these collections gets discontinued from the armory, we'll see a lot of profits for it, guys. I will open once. Whatever we get, one of you lucky winners is going to get it. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and comment something down below. Oh my god, the Arctic tree tone, bro. I'm telling you, this is a nice investment. This looks also like some field tested condition. As I said, the condition does not matter. Congratulations, and I wish you the best of luck whoever wins this one. I will be giving this away once it's tradable. Also, I've gotten the Lil Pig AUG. It's from the graphic design collection. I had it for a long time. Actually, I have two of them. This one is in the minimal wear version. It's almost factory new. 0.08, unfortunately not factory new, but this is a trade up skin for the AWP Simic. I can see it being very demanded in the future. If you find it also or cheap, definitely go for it. Maybe in the future I'm going to do some trade up contracts and this could be a very nice filler. Also, whoa, fever cases are so cheap in my opinion. You should definitely be stocking up on them. They have very unique looking skins inside it, a lot of good looking ones, but all we care is about that we can get some skeletons, rubies out of this case. Even like a regular skeleton, Doppler face, whatever, looks beautiful in my opinion. Definitely underrated cases. Once they also get discontinued from the armory, the prices could go too high. Also, I mean, yes, these stat track skins are maybe not that desirable anymore. The era of stat track skins is over, I guess. At least for now, the hype is not really there. But I've still gotten this stat track Glock 18 Shinobu in the factory new version. Yes, not the best float, but I don't care. It still looks pretty slapping in my opinion. I would be keeping it for the long run because I can see the skin being very cool, especially once it has that discontinued title to it. A lot of people would maybe target it yet again because I think it looks very cool. Not a lot of people really do appreciate this skin, unfortunately. Damn guys, the Chrome Dome holo is also currently like really investable. You can definitely go for these, but the biggest problem with these stickers is always the rate, how much it gets applied, and currently it's not looking that good. But this could change until Christmas. I can see the sticker rising up. Maybe it could change. Don't quote me on this one, but I think it's gonna turn out still to be a good investment, because just a lot of people are really not looking into this sticker until it really gets discontinued or there's like a pump going on. One pink you can also aim for is this famous Jin from the Chroma 2 collection. The condition also does not matter, but this one is also in a minimal wear version, unfortunately not enough. Close enough though, 1.54. At the end of the day, we don't care what chroma it is, because there is like butterfly gems inside. That's why the condition of these guns actually does not matter. You can also go for the battle scout versions, but field tested is generally a great area to look for such skins. They will be the most profitable in my opinion. If you also get a really nice float, you can make a quick buck. But definitely keep these skins for now. I can see them rising in a couple of months. Mark my words, cases will also explode. You should definitely be taking a look at a lot of cases, not only the fever case, not only like the active drop pool cases. I mean, we don't care about these. The gallery cases are very nice, the chroma cases, all the discontinued cases are very nice. Honestly, this sticker for a time it has been around like 40 to 50 cents on the Steam community market. Currently it has dropped. I mean, it can go really further down because it does really have demand. It's a big sticker, it has like unique colors to it. Also you can scratch it and you have the eyes, it looks also cool. So if you have a couple of cents, definitely go for this sticker, it could rise up again. Also we are hunting this Eye of Horus, because I can see the skin being a very cool and unique investment. I mean, the price history of this skin chart, it's like crazy. It went like this and went down again. It's very confusing, but we will pull it right now. If I see it slide, I'm gonna cry. Come on, come on. No. For those who haven't still given up on the Austin 2025 contenders, this capsule could exponentially rise once the new stickers are out, and if the new stickers are not looking that good, a lot of people will be coming back to these ones, because honestly these are my favorite holos so far from the whole CS2 major things. And overall all these stickers will be very desirable in my opinion. I mean, some are better than others, but definitely, for example, this complexity sticker, I personally love it so much. I should definitely buy some of these right now. Our taste buddy holos are also exploding right now, it's very nice. We've been talking about them once, they were like $5, somewhere in that area. Currently they almost doubled, which is insane. I can see them being very expensive in the future, because they are already discontinued. And they were in the armory, not a lot of people really did redeem them or get them. This sticker will have a very nice legacy. Here is a little secret, but guys, don't tell anyone, but the M4A1S Fade, I mean, it really is underrated in my opinion. Since day one, I've been saying that this has the same potential as the Blue Phosphor. It's not the same price as the M4 Fade, but it's close. And I can see the Fade being more expensive because it will be more desirable, because a lot of new players are coming to the game and they're seeing this skin in the armory. And once it gets discontinued, it will have a big hype around it and you could maybe sell. If you're interested in other CS2 investments, definitely go ahead and join my Discord. The link will be down in the description. And make sure you subscribe so you stay tuned to my CS2 investments.